This is the Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro versus OnePlus 10 Pro speed test comparison. So yeah, max out flagship devices from Xiaomi and OnePlus. These devices comes in this package and got power brick inside, which is awesome. The exciting part is both got Qualcomm's 8 Gen 1 Silicon, 12 gigs of max out RAM, so it's all about the optimization and how well they have made use of the powerful CPU. Yes, I'll be also sharing some images I shot using both these devices, so make sure to watch it full. Now kicking things with booting both these devices, and here we go. OnePlus versus Xiaomi, ColorOS 12.1 versus MIUI 13, here latest OS based on A12. That is like way quick on OnePlus. Xiaomi was 6 seconds late there. The fingerprint scanner test and the animation is fast on OnePlus. Scanning again, that is same, but the OnePlus animation is a little fast. So performance mode is on both, and I have turned off all the battery saving mechanism. Okay, so dialer, fast on OnePlus. Messages, same on both. Now Play Store, and that is quick on Xiaomi. The listings and all is same on both. Camera, same on both. The front facing shooter is also exactly same on both. Now settings, fast on OnePlus, and the design difference is like side hole punch versus a center hole punch. Both got subtle curve edges, which I like a lot, and high refresh rate plus high resolution displays there too. So these were some basic apps, now some heavy games and applications. So Angry Birds, and now you will see the real difference, the 8 Gen 1 Silicon on both, MIUI versus OnePlus ColorOS optimization. So this game is surely fast on Xiaomi, and that was a difference of 4 seconds. Now heavy game Genshin Impact, yeah, I play this a lot. It has got different characters having different magical powers, and this game cost 15 gigs in total, so for sure a massive one. Okay, so wow, in this one OnePlus wins by a small margin.
Let it rain. That's cheating.
So the gaming session was amazing. Yeah, there was some sort of lag in Xiaomi in starting, but it was all smooth after a few seconds, and OnePlus of course did a great job. Mortal Kombat, an action fighting game, you can play this against PC, and graphics are like really good in this one. So Xiaomi is a little fast there, OnePlus is not that slow. So now all favorite PUBG, and I play this game a lot, like 5 to 6 hours continuous sometimes, and you can play it online with your friends or random players. Got tons of maps and modes in there. So once again Xiaomi is quick in this game. Now playing it in high graphics. So the overall session was amazing, not even a single lag I felt. Now last game, Gangster Vegas, it's like GTA, you can drive or fight anyone, do whatever you want. So So OnePlus was a tiny bit fast in there, not a huge difference at all, but yeah, OnePlus won in this one. So in 2 games, OnePlus won, and in 3 games, Xiaomi got the lead. Now some internet based apps and Instagram, and that is same on both my profile, and that is quick on OnePlus. Reddit, and that is quick on Xiaomi. So it is a tie going on. Moving to some rendering and exporting stuff. Microsoft Word 50 MB document. Here we go. The storage, silicon and amount of RAM play a huge role in there. Wow, so can be seen in this one, OnePlus wins by a huge margin. Now Adobe Rush rendering a 1080p video file. Wow, that is way quick on OnePlus, like 4 times fast than Xiaomi. RAM management test and dialer, that is a refresh on Xiaomi. Play Store, Angry Birds, Genshin Impact, that is a refresh on both. Mortal Kombat is a refresh on OnePlus, which is quite shocking. Gangster Vegas, PUBG, Instagram, Reddit, and finally settings. So both these devices are equally awesome in terms of RAM management. In terms of games, Xiaomi won by 1 point, but OnePlus got the lead, beating Xiaomi in the exporting and rendering stuff. For those who want to see the Geekbench score, the single core score is high on OnePlus by 100 point. The multi-core score, however, is high on Xiaomi by 200 points. Some images I shot using both these devices, and I can tell you guys, both have done a fantastic job in there. Yeah, I love how both OnePlus and Xiaomi have come a long way. The colors, saturation, dynamic range, contrast, all are super fine on both Xiaomi and OnePlus. Here are some wide and telephoto shots, and OnePlus can do more zoom than Xiaomi, so that is advantage in there. Here's 4K 60fps video side by side, looks fine on both. The stabilization is super smooth. Selfie shot, and Xiaomi made my skin tone smooth, which is not natural at all. Here also the view outside window is fully blown out in Xiaomi. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.